So right now, I'm working on my 2006 Duramax LBZ. I'm going to be putting a fuel rail plug in. I got a lift pump coming. That should be here tomorrow, but yeah, I'm just trying to get the issue taken care of where it's emptying out the fuel lines before it can get up to the desired fuel rail pressure. So yeah, I'm putting a fuel rail plug in. I actually started it and then I forgot to take a video, so I kind of put it back together most of the way. So everything's pretty much loose right now except for the actual plug itself. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a good how-to video on how to do the fuel rail plug. Alright guys, so you got your glow plug controller right here. You're going to have to take that out in the mounting bracket and heat shield. Not bad at all. This plug right here, you're just going to squeeze these two on the side right here, and then it'll pull right out. And then the plug on the right side of it, you're just going to, right there, you're going to want to pull that keeper out with a flat head, and then that'll just pull right out too. And then you're going to have two 10mm bolts on either side of the controller that you're going to want to take out. Already hit the ground. Alright, good. Let me go find that bolt a minute before I forget about it. Next up, you're going to want to take off this fuel line bracket. This is connected to the glow plug controller bracket. So, just one 10mm bolt right on there. Actually, I think I still have it finger loose. Yep, sure do. Alright, you can just pull the back of that bracket right off. Alright, next up you got the 4 1/2-inch bolts that hold the controller bracket on. And the bracket will just, oh wait, the harness holder. Oops, move that out of the way. Got it finagled a little bit. And now you can get to the fuel rail plug, which is right there. You see it at the end of the fuel rail right there? There you go. Now you can get to it. It is just an 18mm wrench. 3/4 probably not going to work. 18 fit pretty well. At this point, why not? You can get the new one ready. Slide it right on in. So this is the new plug. Comes with an O-ring, so some of them don't. This one does. So obviously I'm going to be reusing that. They say to lube up the threads in the O-ring with some PET or petroleum jelly. Call it PET in the Navy. But I do not have any on me at this moment, so I'm just going to spit it up. That'll work. Sloppy. Alright guys, here's the new one. Gonna slide her on in. Alright. Give her one more tug. Make sure she's tight. Alright. She is tight in there. Now, we start putting everything back together. Although, I would like to start it real quick. Make sure there's no leaks before I put all this stuff back on. Started just fine without the glow plug controller in there. So, since there's a little bit of air in the system, I recommend pumping the primer a few times. Alright, should start right now. Oh, if you're wondering why the guy stood right there on my hot side, I just haven't done the PCV reroute yet. I will, that's coming. Alright, let's put everything back together now. First up, the controller bracket. Obviously goes in the same way it came out, spinning a little bit. and it will pretty much fall right into place. A few bolts in there started. And let's run her down. Next up, the fuel line bracket. So just like that, and then just goes around the back side. Make sure that's pressed in. And then a 10mm wrench will do the trick. Kinda. A universal would probably be a little faster, but I don't feel like getting back off the truck. Alright, go ahead, put the wire loom inside its keeper, and now we can go ahead and put the glow plug controller back in. That's plenty fine. Can I move around? Nope. Alright. This big one on the right side. Just make sure this keeper is all the way out. Likes to slide back in on you. 2 hands to put this plug on the right on. You gotta hold it with one hand and pull the keeper back so the keeper doesn't press it or push back in while you're trying to push it on. And then once it's on, just push the keeper back in towards the left, and then this plug right here literally just pushes right back on. And yeah, you are done. Go take it for a test drive and watch your fuel rib pressure sky high. So yeah, that is a fuel rib plug on a 2006 LBZ, actually on any LBZ, and probably should be about the same on an LMM, basically exact same motor and same setup. So but definitely all LBZs going to be exactly the same. So yeah, go take it for a test drive now Fuel rail pressure should be right at what it's supposed to be, the desired. Shouldn't be any less than that. I don't recommend it as a be-all end-all for your fuel rail pressure